what's great about marketing is there's so many different areas of opportunity. So again, you could work with data, you could work in consumer behavior, you could work in social media. So it gives you so much opportunity when you go out into industry, and whichever you choose, I think our program's great about setting you up to be successful. We have courses with big data, with social media, consumer behavior, and strategy. So wherever students' passions lie, we have courses to help them prepare them when they enter the workforce. Students not only get the concepts for a solid foundation of marketing, but they also get that hands-on real-world experience. So for instance, in my marketing research class, at the beginning of the semester, students are partnered up with a client, and they work with that client on a real-world marketing problem, something that would be an everyday problem that occurs for them, that we can come in and help them figure out how to best answer that question. They'll do qualitative work, doing one-on-one interviews or focus groups. They'll go out and collect surveys or experiments, and they'll take that data and we'll teach them how to best analyze that data and then implement that. So whether you're a full-time student or professional student, we see that students are able to take what they're learning today and apply that right away. So I have many students who are professional students working in full-time jobs, and they're able to take what I'm teaching them, and the next day in their career they're able to use that. So it's wonderful to see when students take what we learn and can apply it and are excited about it when they move on in their career. So I have some students who just say, without taking that practical course or without taking your research course, I just would not have been set up for the role that I currently have. And that really just truly makes my day, knowing what we're doing has a direct, tangible impact on their future careers.